Namaste children, welcome to today's maths class. So we are discussing the fourth unit, the parts and wholes, and today we are going to discuss page number 58, 59 and 60. So page number 58, yes children, open your textbooks and look into our textbook, page number 58, Ramo's vegetable field, yes. See page number 58, here we have, this is Ramo's vegetable field, and so Ramo's vegetable field has 9 equal parts. What vegetables he grow? Yes, observe the picture. So this is the Ramo's vegetable field. So it is divided into 9 equal parts, and different crops he is producing in his field. Different vegetables he is producing. Yes. Now, what was the question? Ramo's vegetables field has 9 equal parts. What vegetables does he grow? Observe the figure and write what vegetables he is to produce there in his field. That is chilies, potatoes, brinjal and tomatoes, spinach. So 5 types of vegetables he is producing in his field. So what are those types of vegetables? It is chilies, then tomatoes, brinjal and potatoes, then spinach. So these vegetables, these kind of vegetables he is producing, Ramo is producing in his field. Now answer the questions. Yes, this is a general question. Now, the first question here, this is a general question. Now, see here, this we can write general question. Now, the first question, which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field? What part? Observe the figure. See, if you see here, tomatoes, he is producing tomatoes in 3 parts, brinjal, it is in 2 parts, and potatoes 2 parts, chilies 1 part, and the spinach is 1 part. So now which vegetable is growing in the biggest part and which part it is? Yes, it is tomatoes. And how much part it is? 3 parts out of 9 parts. See here, if you see this, tomatoes 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, potatoes 2 parts, and brinjal 2 parts, 1 part chilies and 1 part spinach. So tomatoes are in 3 parts out of 9. Therefore, what part it is, what fraction it is? 3 by 9. Or when we simplify, we get as 1 over 3. By dividing 3 with 3, 3 ones are 3, 1, 3 threes are 9. 3 by 9 or 1 by 9. Now the second question. On what part of the field does he grow potatoes? On what part of the field does he grow potatoes? Potatoes 2 parts are there out of 9. Therefore it is 2 by 9. 2 by 9 or 2 parts out of 9 parts. Like third question. What part of the field is used to grow spinach? Which part is used for brinjals? Spinach, how many parts he is using out of 9 parts? Only 1 part. Therefore, what fraction is spinach? 1 over 9. Brinjals, he is using brinjals. 2 parts are there. Therefore, it is 2 by 9. Brinjals, it is 2 by 9. Now, the next question. Now you write some questions by looking at this picture. You can write your own questions. Which two vegetables are growing in the same quantity, same part? Like you see, brinjal, it is 2 by 9, and the potatoes also 2 by 9. Like this, you can frame your own questions. What part of the chilies are producing? What part of the field the chilies are producing? You can write in your own way. You can write the questions on your own. Like this, you will answer the questions on Ramo's field. Now, see page number 59. Yes. Ramu wanted to give these vegetables to his friends. He gave Abu Bakr 1/5 of these tomatoes, 1/5 of these tomatoes and 1/3 of the potatoes. Srija got 2/5 of the tomatoes and 3/6 of the potatoes. Nancy got the rest of these vegetables. Circle Abu Bakr's share in blue and circle Srija's share in yellow. How many potatoes and tomatoes did Nancy get? So Ramu is producing different types of vegetables, and he wanted to give that vegetables which are there to his friends, like Nancy is one and Srija is one. The other one is Abu Bakr. He is giving in different parts to his friends. Now you see this picture. Yes. So these are what tomatoes and these are what potatoes. How many tomatoes are there? How many tomatoes he wanted to give to his friends? Count all this. You will get 20. So 20 tomatoes he is sharing to his friends. And potatoes, how many potatoes are there here? 18 potatoes are the total number of potatoes 18 and total number of tomatoes are 20. From all these vegetables he is giving different shares to his friends. Answer those questions. Number of tomatoes, total, you can write total number of tomatoes with Ramu. Finally, that is initially how much he is having. Total number of tomatoes. How many he is having? 20 tomatoes. And total number of potatoes. How many potatoes are there with Ramu? Only 18 potatoes are there. So now he gave to his friends, 3 friends, Abu Bakr. Yes, it is Abu Bakr. He gave to his friends, Abu Bakr. Yes, how much he gave to him? 1/5 of tomatoes and 1/3 of potatoes. What he gave to him? 1/5 of tomatoes. 1/5 of tomatoes. So how many he will get tomatoes? How many tomatoes he will get out of 1/5 of tomatoes? 1/5 into total number of tomatoes. How many are there? Total number of tomatoes? 20 tomatoes. 1/5 into 20. Now divide 1 into 20 is 20. Divide 20 with 5. 5 fours are 20. 4 tomatoes he got. And how many potatoes he got? 1/3 of potatoes. 1/3 of potatoes. So how many potatoes he got? It is 1/3 into total number of potatoes. How many are there? It is 18. Now divide 18 with 3. 3 6 are 18. When we divide 18 with 3, what is the quotient? We get 6. So Abu Bakr he got 4 tomatoes and 6 potatoes. 6 potatoes. Now to another friend named as Srija, to her he gave 2/5 of the tomatoes and 3/6 of the potatoes. Yes, second friend, who is that? Srija. So what he gave to her? He gave to her, it is 2/5 of tomatoes. 2/5 of tomatoes he gave. Yes. So 2/5 of means is into total tomatoes are 20. Yes, divide 20 with 5. 5 fours are 20. So we get 4 and 2 is here. 2 into 4 it is 8. So Srija got 8 tomatoes. And how many potatoes she got? What fraction she got? It is 3/6 of potatoes. 3/6 of potatoes. It is 3/6 into total number of potatoes are 18. Divide 18 with 6. 6 threes are 18. 3 is the question. The 3 is multiplied by the numerator 3. 3 into 3 is 9. So Srija got 9 potatoes and 8 tomatoes. Like this. One more friend is there. Her name is Nancy. So her name is what? Nancy. So how many Nancy got? Yes. And circle, see this. Nancy got the rest of these vegetables. So Nancy got rest of the vegetables. How many are left over? Rest of the vegetables. Nancy got. So how many tomatoes Nancy got? Tomatoes. Total number of tomatoes, how many are there? 20. From this, by subtracting the tomatoes which are given to the two friends, Abu Bakr and Srija, that is 4 and 8. Add these two, that is 4 plus 8 and subtract. That is 20 minus 4 plus 8, it is 12. 20 minus 12, it is 8. So 8 tomatoes Nancy got. That is the rest of the tomatoes, the rest of the potatoes. Rest means remaining, leftover vegetables were given to Nancy. So Nancy got how many tomatoes? 8 tomatoes Nancy got. And how many potatoes she got? So number of potatoes. So total number of potatoes, how many are there? That is 18 potatoes. From this, what to do? We have to subtract the potatoes which are given to the two friends. That is 6 and 9. 6 plus 9. Yes. That is equals to 18 minus 6 plus 9 is 15. 18 minus 15 it is 3. So 3 potatoes were given to Nancy and 8 tomatoes were given to Nancy. Like this he gave different vegetables to his friends in the different shades. Now circle Abu Bakr's shade in blue and Srija's shade in yellow. So in this picture you circle the vegetables, how many got, how many tomatoes and how many potatoes what he got Abu Bakr with blue color, you circle them, and Srija's you circle them with yellow color. Like this you can shade like this, these parts can be circled in the figure. After finding the number of tomatoes and potatoes of each friend shade. Is it clear, children? Now page number 60. Game. Who colors the circle first? It's a game between the your friends. You can play this game. How to play? What are required to play this? Here is this. This game is to be played in groups of 4. So 4 students can play this game by dividing them into one group. Each player has to make a circle as shown. Like this you make a circle as shown in the book. Yes, like this you make a circle which is shown at here. That is, how many parts are there in this? Yes, if you count, how many parts are there? 12 parts are there, 12 equal parts. Like this you have to draw a circle and divide the circle into 12 equal parts. So what you require, each player has to make a circle as shown. Each one has to make 15 tokens on slips of paper. So take slips of paper, take one paper and you cut that paper into slips of 15 and write on those slips as 1/2, that is 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/6, 1/12, 2/12, 3/12, 4/12 and so on. That is 5/12, 6/12, 7/12, 8/12, 9/12 and 11/12 to make your tokens. So 15 tokens you have to make, and those 15 tokens you have to write these fractions, that is 1/2, 1/3, 1/4 and 1/6 and so on, 11/12. Then shuffle the tokens and make a pile in the middle of the group. Now you are ready to start the game. Now you shuffle them, mix them, and then you place those tokens one over the other, and in the middle you keep them. Now your game is ready to start to play. The first player takes a token from the pile The first player will take one token from the pile, colors that part of the picture and puts the token under the pile. So first player will take one token and he will read that fraction whatever it is there. If it is 1 by 2 or 1 over 3 or 1 over 4 or 1 over 6, 1 over 12 is there. So what he will do? 1 over 12 means out of 12 parts he has to color with one part. If 3 by 12 is there, out of 12 parts he has to cover 3 parts. Like this he will color 3 parts. And then after that he will keep that token below, that is under the pile. Now the next player will does the same and so on. The winner is the one who first colors the circle completely. Like this, one after the other, all the 4 players will play. And who will be the winner? The person who will complete the circle first, who will color the circle completely, who will complete the circle completely first, he is the winner. And now answer the question, who won the game? Yes, you can write who won the game, whether you or your friend or your friends, one of your friend. What are the winner's tokens? You write the tokens, what he got, like 1 by 2. If he received 1 by 2, write 1 by 2. If he received 1 by 2, you write 1 by 2. And if his token is 3 by 12, write 3 by 12. Write the tokens you got. Write your tokens, what you got, in that you have to write. Now, what part of the circle did you color? Then you observe your circle, how many parts you have colored out of 12. If you have colored 10 out of 12, then what is the fraction it is? 10 by 12. 10 by 12. Like this you write. So after playing this, once if you play this, you can answer these questions. Now here you see the card puzzle. Observe these cards, card A, B, C and D. That in square shape we have these cards are there. Yes. Look carefully at the picture and get ready to answer 4 questions. Ready. So here observe this picture and get ready to answer the questions. Here are the questions. Yes, we will see these questions one after the other. Now see that puzzle. Here 4 cards are there, card A, card B, card C and card D. And in that some part is shaded with black color. Yes, like this. Shaded portion you are finding in card B, card C and card D. Yes, card D is not shaded, only card B, card C and card D. Yes, now you should answer the questions. 4 questions are there. Here 2 I will explain. The rest you can do as your homework. Divide the white area in square A into 2 equal parts. Got the answer? Was that easy? Now do the second question. So divide the white space of card A into 2 equal parts. Yes. How do you divide this into 2 equal parts? Like this if I draw, will we get this? This is one part and this is one part. Are they equal? No. Can I draw like this if I draw here? Now this is one part and this is one part. Are they equal? No. How to draw? Yes, by diagonally. Like this if you draw, we get 2 parts. This is one part and this is the other part. Both are equal. Like that you can draw. And second question. Divide the white area in square B into 3 equal parts. That too easy. Isn't it? Now see the third question. Now divide the white space of card B into 3 equal parts. Yes, 3 equal parts. Yes, this is 1 and it is 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts. Yes, are divided. It is very easy. Now third question. Divide the white area in square C. This is white area in square C into 4 equal parts. This you try it on your own. Now, see that fourth question, that is divide the white area in square D into 7 equal parts. The world record for this is 7 seconds. But you can take minutes. Tired of thinking. Look at the answer on page 68. So, was that difficult. Yes, now D we have to divide this into 7 equal parts. How do we divide this into 7 equal parts? Yes, like this we can divide. So divide horizontally you can divide or you can divide vertically. 1, like this is 2, and this is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Like this you can divide 7 equal parts. 7 equal parts. You will get here, it is looking here there is small differences, but you can divide vertically into 7 equal parts. Even you can try using the horizontal base also, you can try to draw this into 7 equal parts. So by observing, see on the board, they may not be equal, but we will divide them into equal parts by vertical, in the vertical method, like this. You see here, once again I will draw. Yes, a big one I have taken and I am drawing. Yes, like this. 1, and it is 2, this is 3, and it is 4, 5, still 6. Little if you increase this, yes, the correct one we can draw. Yes, like this you can draw. 7 equal parts will get. So here you are getting small differences, but use your skill while you are drawing, and you can draw clearly, vertically, horizontally also we can draw. So what we discussed today is Ramos field, that is shades of his friends, what he gave to his friends Nancy, Abu Bakr and this region, the vegetables, different vegetables, and his vegetable field we studied, and one game also we have studied how to play. You can play at your home, and these are the puzzles which we have solved here. Have you understood, children? Thank you very much.